working from home at the moment is fine, but tea breaks just aren't quite the same working from home. There's no staff room to gossip in, and there's no coffee machine, so I have to clean up and make it myself, which kind of sucks. But using science, we can make our tea breaks from home just a little bit more exciting. But first, we will need to get some equipment. First, we'll need a tea bag. For this experiment, you need to use a folded or stapled tea bag. Unfold your tea bag into a cylinder, and you can keep the extra tea for later. You can use a diffuser or a little sieve. Then you need to grab a plate and some matches or a barbecue lighter. If you are a child, please get your parents to help with this part. Finally, don't forget your favourite biscuits. Right, so now that we've got all our equipment together, we can get started on our experiment, and you can do this while your jug boils. So firstly, I've made sure my hair is tied back, I've rolled up my sleeves, and there isn't anything in the immediate bench area that is going to get burned. That is very important, and you do want to again get your parents to help you with this. So I'm going to light this stick so I can stay nice and far away. You can also use barbecue lighter or your matches. And we're going to light this from the top here. How does this all work exactly? The tea bag burns as it stands in the shape of an empty cylinder, which causes the air inside to be hotter than the air outside. Hot air is less dense than cold air because the particles of hot air move faster and further from each other, so this causes hot air to rise. The tea bag moves up with the hot air around it, and the burnt bag comes back down when it cools. Hot air balloons also use hot air to lift off the ground and fly in the colder air around them. Okay, now that we've had our fun, we've done our science, it is time for me to get back to work.